In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timeline in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional timeline that's easy to read and simple to update using only built-in PowerPoint tools. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and the presentation where you want your timeline to live. With your slide ready, go to the Insert tab and choose Chart. A window will appear showing different chart types. For timelines, we want points placed along a single horizontal line. So scroll to the XY scatter category and select it. Click OK to insert the chart. PowerPoint will open a small data sheet so you can enter your information. In that data sheet, enter your years as the X values. For the Y values, type 0 for every entry. Setting all Y values to 0 places every point at the same vertical position, which creates a straight horizontal baseline for your timeline. Once your years are in and everything lines up across the middle, confirm your changes and close the sheet. Back on the slide, resize the chart by dragging its side handles so it stretches horizontally across the slide. A wider chart gives your dates more breathing room, which improves readability and balance. Next, let's tidy up the horizontal axis. Right-click the horizontal axis and select Format Axis. In the number section, set the category to number, change decimal places to 0, and uncheck the option to use the thousand separator. This keeps your years clean and uncluttered. While still in Format Axis, open Axis options and find tick marks. Set both major and minor tick marks to cross. Crossing tick marks create clear reference points for each year and make the sequence feel more structured. Now customize the markers so your points stand out. Click the data points to select the series and open Format Data Series. Under marker options, choose built-in and increase the size so the points are easy to see at a glance. Under fill, pick a color that matches your slide design to keep everything consistent. Add your labels by going to Insert and choosing Text Box. Place a text box near each marker and type the year along with a short description or event. Keep the wording concise so the timeline stays clean. To give the labels a polished look, select each text box, go to Shape Format, and choose Shape Outline. Pick a border color that works with your theme for a cohesive finish. Repeat this labeling and formatting for all your timeline points, keeping spacing and alignment visually consistent as you go. And you're done. You've created a clean and visually appealing timeline in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.